Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be showing you how to rotate your screen sources in OBS in 2025. If this video helped you out, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these. Now, to get started in OBS, if you have a source opened up, for example, I have this right here, a video capture device. This would be displaying my camera if I had it turned on. What I would like to do was I would like to transform it so that I can move its rotation. So if I adjust the rotation here, as you can see, it's slowly moving at an angle that I adjusted. And you can see that it's moving in this specific position over here. If I would like to move it somewhere else, I can adjust the position to push it down here, or you can just drag it. It doesn't have to be like that. You can drag it. As you can see, it's automatically changing, and it'll move as I rotate this angle right here. I believe you can also move the crops from the corners, so that's what those squares are. If you just want to move it quickly, you can spin it around like this, holding down the circle symbol. But if you want to make little finite adjustments, you can adjust it using this arrow value tab right here. There's also a couple of other sections you can change here, but for the sake of the video, we're just showing how to move the rotation of your camera or any source for that matter. After you're done, click close, and then it'll be at an angle that you've left it. If this video helped you out, please make sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos like these. Goodbye.